extremely fast welding machine is Metecno CNC laser welding machine, and the key features of the machine are high welding power, high acceleration for the welding head, and advanced Siemens SINUMERIK ONE CNC controller. The high acceleration is achieved by using powerful linear motors and carbon fiber structure on the support of the welding head and all the moving parts. We have also been able to skip using any gearboxes that could add slack to the system, and therefore we can achieve accuracy up to 0.1 mm. Also, the linear motors are manufactured by Siemens, so they are top quality. The machine has in stock 3 axes, but you can add 4th axis, for example, welding pipe parts. The machine has been designed and manufactured in Finland. This model has working area of 2 meters by 1 meter, but you can also order a bigger model. The power electronics of the controller and linear motors have been integrated to the machine itself, so there are no extra electric cabinets beside the laser power unit. You can feed multiple different welding gases into the machine, and it has also air blade function. Safety has been high priority during the design and manufacturing of the machine, and it has also CE certificate. You can use and position the machine with hand controller when the doors are open and the welding is not operational. Maximum welding speed of the machine is 1 meter per second, but you can use higher speeds when moving from weld to weld, especially on the larger models. The laser power unit is controlled with separate industrial PC, and it has its own control panel. The machine is controlled with regular M codes, and it can be integrated to factories' production management systems. The machine can be highly automated, it can be fed with robots or using separate pallets to make high output production. The best use of the machine are huge batch sizes, for example when manufacturing prismatic battery cells, heat exchangers or any other parts like that. We can customize the size and the functions of the machine to fit your production needs. For more information, visit our website metecno.fi.